manger ou quitter manger l'ambiance. Allez, score ou mettre fin n'importe brillant. Chérie, manger banane, manger banane.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl X.Slay and I'm back with another wig review. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, make sure you're hitting that bell so you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a wig review on this hair that was sent to me from FridayNightHair.com. Y'all already know this wig is under $50 and it is the wig that I have in right now. It is their GLS229. Now if you guys want to see how I installed the unit and everything that I did, I really didn't do much of anything, but if y'all want to see how I installed it to achieve this look, just go ahead and continue watching and I'll see you guys at the end if you want to know more beats and specs about this unit. All right, so see you guys in the end.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So let's go ahead and talk about it, y'all. So once again, I did receive this hair from FridayNightHair.com. It is their GLS229 wig. Now their newer construction as far as like their wigs come with a nice band for you that secures around the head, so it keeps it extra secure. Girls, so you know how to put those clips in. Y'all already know I'm like really good for not clipping in my wigs because it gives me a headache. Okay, so that's just me. But anyways, this hair was under $50, so it was $49. It'll probably come out to $50. I shouldn't say under $50, but it was $49.99. They did go ahead and send this unit to me, so I did not pay for it. All right, if it wasn't for them, y'all probably wouldn't be getting a wig review right now, okay? Because y'all know I haven't really been doing wig reviews like that lately. But anyways, so this hair, y'all, I did go ahead and brush out the curls from the beginning of the video. If y'all saw what it looked like when you originally took it out the packaging, it looked really stringy. Like it didn't look, it looked really synthetic-y. Like it looked like a cheap wig, you know? And you don't want that look. So a lot of times, some people I see, they don't really brush out their units and so forth. I would say you definitely need to brush it out. Okay, there's like a little lump up here. I don't know what's going on, but I might apply some heat to it. But anyways, you definitely need to go ahead and brush it out, simply because it'll give you more like kind of a natural look when you brush it out versus just leaving it, you know, as is. It looks really stringy, looks really cheap, and you don't want that look, especially if you're going out or, you know, whatever the case may be. See, y'all, it's already flat. The thing that I love about Friday Night hair units, most of them are kind of like a human hair and synthetic blend. So with that being said, you can apply heat to it. Like one of their units one time, I actually washed it and straightened it, bone straight, and that thing looked as, you know, new as when I took it out of the packaging. So that helped a lot. Y'all see that difference? There was like a little lump up there. You can just apply some heat to it. There you go. No more humps. All right. But this unit is really long. Like it comes all the way down to like my underwear. Okay. So this some long hair, don't care type of literally. But I went ahead and did this style right here as far as like putting it behind my ear. I didn't really like how it looked. Like, so, I mean, it doesn't really look bad now that I do it again. So okay, so it's actually not that bad when you wear it like this. It's not bad. I don't know. I didn't like it at first, but now I do. I don't know why. But you can wear it either way that you want. It's really pretty. Let me show you guys these curls, how the end look. This is what the end looks like right here. Some of them, you can tell where I didn't really brush it out too well, but yeah, definitely need to brush out your wig, you guys. Now this unit, I did get some shedding, but only in the beginning because of where I actually cut the lace. I always cut it really close. And the reason why I do that is because I don't want that line of the lace, like where it's at, like you can see the lace. It's not really cute. So yeah, I didn't want that. So I just cut it to like the actual hair, like where the hair began. So that's why it shedded for me. But as I brush it and everything, I don't really get, just a little bit. I don't even know if you guys can see that. It's literally just a little bit. It's not even a lot at all. But this is definitely a wig that you must have in your wig collection, especially if you want to do this look, like the long, let me back up for you guys a little bit. It comes all the way down here. So if you want a long look, then this is the wig for you. If you don't want a long look, I say you can cut it. Honestly, just cut it. If you really like just like how the curls look and everything, just cut the unit. You can probably cut it up to here or whatever you want to do with it. That is all that I have for you guys today. Definitely stay tuned because I'll be back with more videos pretty soon. Thank you guys so much for watching.